Hi everyone, welcome to math class. Today our title is complex fractions. Complex fractions. Complex fractions are those kind of fractions that their numerator and denominator, all of them have some addition, subtraction, and multiplication of and division of fractions, and 2-3 fractions in the numerator, 1 or 2-3 fractions or 4 fractions in the denominator. I'll show you an example and solve for you. Example 1/1 plus 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/2. You see that 1 is the numerator in these, all of this denominator. Sometimes the denominator also same as the numerator is also same thing. 1/1 is like this. What we do, the longest line is the line for the main fraction, and we start from very most bottom, and step by step we simplify it. And also, if there is also same thing, we start from bottom at the same times, this one and this one. Now this is 1/1 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 times 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7/2. This is equal to 1/1 plus 1/2 plus, the numerator is 1, the denominator of 1 is 1. It's 1/1 divided by 7/2 equal to 1/1 plus 1/2 plus 1/1. The division changed to multiplication, and the fraction become inverse, become 2/7. Now this is equal to 1/1 plus 1/2 plus 1 times 2, 1 times 7 is 7, 2/7 is equal to 1/1 plus 1/2 times 7, 14, 14 plus 2 is 16/7. That is equal to 1/1 plus, is 1/1. We can write it directly to multiplication, and this is, we write reverse. Instead of 16/7, we write 7/16. Is equal to 1/1 plus 1 times 7 is 7, 1 times 16 is 16. that is equal to 1 over 1 16 16 16 1 times 16 is 16, 16 plus 7 is 23 over 16 is equal to 1 over 1 times 16 over 23, and that is equal to 16 over 23. Our answer is 16 over 23. I'll show you another example. In this example, the numerator is also some completion of the multiplications. 2 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over 2 over 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4. What we do here, we do same thing. We start at the numerator from here, step by step, and also here. At the same time, we can, one by one, we multiply this one and this one. Like here, 2 plus 1 over 1 times 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3 over 2. And here, 1 plus 1 over 2 times 8, 2 times 4 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11 over 4. Now we do like this, is equal to 2 plus 1 over 1 times 2 over 3, and here 1 plus 1 over 1 times 4 over 11 is equal to 2 plus 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 plus 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 11, 11. Now that's equal to, you see, at the same time we simplify the numerator and also the denominator. Now 2 times 3, 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 over 3 over 1 times 11, 11. 11 plus 4 is 15 over 11. That is equal to 8 over 3 times 11 over 15. is equal to 8 times 11 is 88, and 3 times 4, 15 is 45. Now we know the division, we divide this one with this one, become 143 over 45. This is the answer. Now another example. 2 plus 1 over 2 over 2 plus 1 over 2 over 3 plus 2 over 1 plus 1 over 2. This is equal to, we simplify this one and also simplify this one. We do as 2 to 4, 4 plus 1, 5 over 2 over 3 plus 2 over 2 times 1, 2, 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. This is equal to the numerator is 5 over 2 and the numerator is 3 plus 2 over 1 times 2 over 3. Is equal to 5 over 2 5 over 2 over 3 plus 2 times 2 is 4 over 1 times 3, 3. This is equal to 5 over 2 over 3 times 3 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13 over 3. It's equal to 5 over 2 times 2 times 3 over 13. That's equal to 5 times 3 is 15 over 26. Now I give you one or two questions like for exercise to do practice. And next lesson I'll give you the answer and see if this is you solve it correct or not. But this is not necessary that you solve it, this is optional. 2, number 1, 2 over 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 5 over 4. And number 2, 1 plus 2 over 1 plus 1 over 2, all of this over 3 plus 1 over 4 plus 2 over 1. 2 over 1. You can solve these two questions for next day. Okay. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for your subscription and thank you for your nice comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos and press the notification bell to get notified for more videos. Have a good day and night. Bye bye.